Hi guys, in this video we're going to talk about power and efficiency. And they're pretty cool. You probably learned a bit about power and efficiency at some point in time in the past, and we're going to make sure that you understand it really well now. And so here's where we're going to start. We're going to start with the definition of what power is. Now, you probably have heard power used in different ways. This is another one of those words that people outside of physics use differently than people inside physics, kind of like energy, but energy is kind of used more or less appropriately. But power is one of those that's used a little differently, okay? And so in physics class, when we say power, we are definitely talking about the rate at which energy is transferred or transformed. And you might say that the rate at which energy is used, because sometimes we're talking about like chemical energy and we're using it. And that's okay too. We can talk about the rate at which energy is used, but it's definitely always the rate. And so when we talk about how powerful something is in physics class, we're definitely talking about how quickly or slowly it uses energy. So if you think about an application of this, you have a phone charger somewhere in your house. You probably do, because most of you are definitely attached to your phones. And you probably have a really old charger. You're like, I don't want to use that one. And you don't like it because it takes forever to charge your phone, because it is not very powerful. It is slow. Its rate at which it transfers energy to your phone is slow. It is very low power. And if you look on it, it probably has a power rating that's low. It's a small number. And your newer chargers that charge your phones really fast probably have a bigger number, like in the double digits even. I have an old charger that's like a 1 watt charger. It's super duper slow. It takes like hours and hours and hours to charge my phone. But I have a new charger that's like a 25 watt charger, and it can charge my phone super fast, okay? That's literally what we're talking about when we talk about power in physics class, okay? Now, as an equation, when we write that down, it looks like this. Power is energy divided by time. When we talk about rates, that's what we're talking about. Something divided by time. So in this case, it's the energy that we're transferring or transforming divided by time.